Audio description and accessibility editing by Ushanda Wilson. Radical imagination is the ability to transform any situation into energy that's beneficial for your higher good. Join us as we embark on a journey to transform trauma into a healing experience that's filled with self-empowerment, freedom, and self-love. Sounds of birds chirping and lake waves. The center of a black screen fans open to a bright yellow sunrise with the words "Welcome" following. Movement down from the sun to the moving waves of the lake, deep inhaling and exhaling. Two pairs of African American female legs and feet dangle and sway, kicking in the water. Both are dressed in colorful African attire. Water moving through pipes appear with the sound of deep breathing. Two African American females with red veils standing next to each other appear in the pipes. Water stops, sounds of quickening breath, and waves crashing against a wall. Chineze stands in the foreground wearing a long white dress. Safiya stands in the background wearing a short white dress. Quiet sounds of a mirror cracking. Mirror shattering. Deep breathing. Two women stand next to each other wearing red veils, standing in a grassy area. The clips are in puzzle pieces, scrolling slowly up the screen over a black background. Lake waves. The footage is inserted in the shape of 4 different puzzle pieces, which eventually connect to each other as it scrolls slowly up the screen over a black background. Safiya asks, have you ever felt unheard?
Have you ever felt unheard?
Chineze stands in a white dress by the water with her arms stretched out. The footage is inserted in 2 large puzzle pieces, slowly scrolling up a black background. Chineze asks, have you ever felt alone in a crowd?
Have you ever felt alone in a crowd?
Close-up shot of Chineze and Safiya. Safiya asking, have you ever felt misunderstood?
Have you ever felt misunderstood?
The sound of lake waves and wind. A loud, resonant chime. Safiya and Chineze sway their bodies back and forth with their arms in the air, moving them up and down in a continuous motion.
Welcome to our healing sanctuary. Welcome to our healing sanctuary, where we learn to heal through art. Where we learn to heal through art, and we learn to heal through storytelling, and we learn to heal through healing practices. You are free to be your true self. You are free to be your true self. Now breathe in and breathe out.
Sound of the wind. A coin appears from the sky, quickly falling, getting bigger as it lands. On one side of the coin, it states, weaving the thread healing experience. On the other side of the coin is the shape of an eyeball. Safiya and Chineze appear on one side of the coin, standing, wearing white dresses.
Welcome to our healing sanctuary. Welcome
Executive producer, creative director, writer, and performer, Safiya, Eshe, Gyasi. Co-producer, co-director, writer, and performer, Chineze, Mogbo. Editor and graphic designer, Tate. Cinematographer, Mauri Lavelle Roberts. Stylist and Makeup Artist, Eshe the Stylist. Stylist and photographer, Kendra Tate. Camera assistant, Jeff Lee. Creative Commons Attributions. Early Morning Birds from the Belgian Countryside 1 by Aladar, available at freesound.org/people/aladar/sounds/51154/ Lake Waves 2 by Benboncan, available at freesound.org/people/benboncan/sounds/67884/ Weathered Downpipe 1 by digifishmusic, available at freesound.org/people/digifishmusic/sounds/71593/ Ocean Sounds, Light Waves on the Rocks by Darren1979, available at freesound.org/people/Darren1979/sounds/58415/ Glass Breaking Experiment, WindowGlass by P.Jezisek, available at freesound.org/people/Pjezisek/sounds/51934/9/ Wind Chime, Tolling A by InspectorJ, available at freesound.org/people/inspectorj/sounds/411729/. Wind Chime, Gamelan Gong A by InspectorJ, available at freesound.org/people/inspectorj/sounds/4111090/. Above work license under CC Attribution 3.0, unported, and CC Sampling Plus 1.0: https://creativecommons.org/licenses/by 3.0 / legal code. https://creativecommons.org/licenses/sampling */1.0 / legal code.